Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Dear students, respected parents, welcome to online classes of Bangladesh Bank High School. I am Muhammad Sanawaz Talat. Here I am to take your English first paper class. So I have chosen Unit 8, Lesson 1. And the name of the lesson is I Like Folk Songs. So, you have to take English for Today book and open at page number 85, Unit 8, Lesson 1. I am going to read the text. You have to listen it very carefully because as you know, you have to answer 10 multiple choice, each carrying half marks, and after that you have to answer 5 questions, each question carry 2 marks. So you have to be very careful and attentive. So before going through the text, I would like to discuss about some vocabulary. So please look at the board. As you know, songs, folk songs. Do you know what is folk songs? Yes. Folk songs are songs which are sung with traditional instruments. Look at the vocabulary. At first, head. What is the meaning of head? Detest. It means detest. Second one is favorite. You have favorite poet, favorite teacher, favorite writer, favorite places to visit. So favorite means dear, beloved. Dear, beloved. You have your beloved parents, brother, sister. And the next one is wonderful. Wonderful means marvelous, surprising. When we look at beautiful things which create some emotions, feelings in us, then we experience it surprising, marvelous. And the next one is adore. Adore means love, worship. Love, worship. And the last one is appeal. Appeal means request. You request your parents, your teachers. So I think you have understood the meaning of the vocabulary. This will require when we go through the text for your clear understanding. So students, as you have already opened textbook, Unit 8, Lesson 1, page number 85. Now be attentive because I am going to read the text. Section C. Section C is about Kobita. She is a student of Sundarpur village. After reading the text, you will learn about Kobita's likes and dislikes. You know that every person has likes and dislikes. You also have likes and dislikes, but likes and dislikes vary from person to person. Am I right? So in this text you will learn Kobita's likes and dislikes. Good. So I am going to read the text. Please be careful and attentive. Hello, I am Kobita. I am a class 7 student of Sundarpur High School. She is a student of class 7 Sundarpur High School. You are also students of Bangladesh Bank High School and you read in class 7. I like listening to music in my free time. So Kobita likes listening to music in her free time. When she is free, she likes listening to music. You also spend your free time doing some other activities. She likes folk songs. But I don't understand classical music that much. I am going to read the line again. I like folk songs, but I don't understand classical music that much. So Kobita likes folk songs, but she doesn't understand classical music very much. However, my father likes classical music very much. So Kobita likes folk songs, but her father likes classical music, which Kobita doesn't like. But he doesn't like pop music. Kobita's father doesn't like pop music. He never watches pop music programs on TV. He says he hates them because they don't appeal to emotions. So Kobita's father doesn't like pop music. What is the reason? The reason is because pop music doesn't appeal to emotion. This is the reason why Kobita's father doesn't like pop music. My favorite singer is Farida Parveen. So Kobita likes folk songs and her favorite singer is Farida Parveen. I like her songs very much. She has a wonderful voice. She likes her very much because she has a wonderful voice. This is the reason why Kobita likes Farida Parveen. I also like gardening. I have planted many flowers in my garden. So Kobita also likes gardening. I think many of you like gardening. So Kobita also like gardening. I have planted many flowers in my garden. When the flowers are in full bloom, I love to watch them. When the garden is full of flowers, then Kobita's joy is no bounds. She feels very happy. It gives a special feeling to her. I am very happy about the flowers that I grow. I just adore them. She just loves them, loves the flowers, loves her garden, loves doing in our garden. So I have finished the text and make it easy for your understanding. Now I am going to solve the questions. So please look at the whiteboard. There are 5 questions, and before going through the text, I told you to be very careful. Now I think that you have understood the text. Now we are going to read the questions and answer them. Okay. Question number 1. Why doesn't Kobita like classical music? Can you say? Yes. Because Kobita doesn't like classical music because she doesn't understand them. She doesn't understand classical music. That is the reason. So Kobita doesn't like classical music because she doesn't understand them. Question number 2. What does Kobita's father think about pop music? What does Kobita's father think about pop music? What is the opinion of Kobita's father about pop music? So, Kobita's father doesn't like pop music because pop music don't appeal to his emotion. Good. Question number 3. Who is Kobita's favorite singer? Tell. Who is Kobita's favorite singer? Yes. Kobita's favorite singer is Farida Parveen. Kobita's favorite singer is Farida Parveen. Why does she like her so much? She likes her so much because she has a wonderful voice. Kobita loves Farida Yasmin for her wonderful voice. Good. Question number 4. What does Kobita think about her garden? Kobita thinks that she has a wonderful garden which is full of wonderful flowers. Good. And when the flowers are in full bloom, she loves to watch them. What does the sentence "I just adore them" mean? This is the last sentence. Look at the book. I am going to read the line again. I am very happy about the flowers that I grow. I just adore them. So Farida, I just adore them means the flowers which Farida loves. Farida loves to watch them. Farida loves to grow them, to grow the flowers in a garden. Good. So these are the questions, and these questions will be your homework. These questions will be your homework. You will read the passage again at home, and after reading the passage 1 or 2 times, you have to write the answers in your script and have a photo and send it to our Bangladesh Bank school page within 2 days. And you must write your name, role, section. So that's all for today. Stay safe and sound and keep in touch with your study. Hopefully we will meet again. Allah Hafiz.